Hi, I'm Arjun from Cybersecurity Branch of Aeronautical Institute of Aeronautical Engineering. Today, I'm going to discuss about tips for improving your life skills. Perspective building on life skills development. Life skills. Life skills are abilities for adaptive and positive behavior that enable individuals to deal effectively with the demands and challenges of everyday life. Life skills are abilities that facilitate the physical, mental, and emotional well-being of an individual. What are life skills? Life skills are nothing but decision making, creative thinking, critical thinking, problem solving, negotiation skills, and also interpersonal relationship, self-awareness, empathy, effective communication. Framework of life skills for AEP. We have three types of skills, those are thinking skills, social skills, and negotiation skills. In thinking skills, we have self-awareness, problem solving, critical thinking, and planning and goal setting. In social skills, we have interpersonal relationships, communicating effectively, cooperation and teamwork, empathy building. In negotiation skills, managing feelings, emotions, resisting peer or family pressure, uh, advocacy skills. Self-awareness. Self-awareness includes our recognition of ourselves, of our character, of our strengths and weakness, desires and dislikes. Developing self-awareness can help us to recognize when we are stressed or feel under pressure. It also often a prerequisite of effective communication and interpersonal relations as well as for developing empathy for others. What is decision making? Decision making is nothing but the ability to access available options to foresee the consequences of different decisions. Thus, no decision is also a decision. Decision making. Major life decisions are goals, choice, popping up, and career. In goals, we use for development and prioritize attain choice of our lifestyle, study, and food habits, hobbies. Career is a choice of profession and further study. Critical thinking. Critical thinking is an ability to analyze information and experiences in an objective manner. Critical thinking can contribute to health by helping us to recognize and assess the factors that influence attitudes and behavior, such as values, peer pressure, and the media. Creative thinking. Creative thinking, both decision making and problem solving by enabling us to explore the available alternatives and various consequences of our actions or non-actions. Problem solving. Problem solving enables us to deal constructively with our problems in our lives. Significant problems that are left unresolved can cause mental stress and rise to accompanying physical strain. Interpersonal relationship skills. Interpersonal relationship skills help us to relate in positive way with the people we interact with. This may mean being able to make and keep friendly relationships, which can be of a great importance to our mental and social well-being. It may mean keeping good relationships with family members and which are an important source of social support. It may also mean being able to end relationships constructively. Empathy. Empathy is the ability to imagine what life is like for another person, even in a situation that we may not familiar with. Empathy can help us to understand and accept others who may be very different from others, which can improve social interactions, for example, in situations of cultural diversity. Effective communication. Effective communication means that we are able to express ourselves both verbally and non-verbally in ways that are appropriate to our cultures and situations. This means being able to express opinions and desires, but also needs and fears. And it may mean being able to ask for advice and help in a time of need. Managing feelings and emotions. Managing feelings and emotions includes skills for increasing internal locus of control for managing emotions, anger, and stress. This may mean that we take action to reduce the sources of stress. For example, by making changes to our physical environment or lifestyle, or it may mean learning how to relax so that tensions are created by unavoided stress do not rise to health problems. Behavior change through life skills. We have to remove ignorance, generate awareness, concern, creates knowledge, motivation, readiness to change, willingness to change, acceptance, and also good lifestyle. Take pleasure and pride in saying no when one wants to say no. Ways to say no: polite refusal, give reason, repeat refusal, walk away, ignore the person, avoid the situation, find other support, take about our own feelings. By knowing our positive qualities, we are more sure of our lives, ourselves, and more able to accomplish things. Self esteem is how a person feels about himself or herself. Knowing oneself and feeling good about oneself is an important aspect of the process of growing up. Low, especially among young girls, often results in variety of problems and difficulties. Therefore, it is an important to adolescents should be help in improving their self-esteem. By liking ourselves, we feel good around other people and better at anything what we are doing. In every situation of life, we use some skills. Thinking out of a box can often find a solution to seemingly difficult problems. By creating, we can analyze all the uh, problems and of any situation. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.